Manny the Master Builder. Do it rock. Look at John Akins making it happen. Get him, John. On the west side of Bartow. You can reach me at 863-410-0877. John, talk to him.
Good morning, folks. John Akins from Central Florida, Texas Drywall Painting. What we're here today is we're gonna show you the installation of drywall for this duplex right here. Come on inside.
John, stop right there. Let me get your shirt. All right, you can reach John at 863-651-8325. Check out his operation. It's all about drywall today.
All right, folks, as you can see, guys has already started. The main living room here. What we do first is we put a couple nails in there to hold it up, and then we'll come back and run a line and shoot all the nails in there at one time.
So what is this down here, John?
This is the drywall ready to be installed.
Okay. Looking good. Come, Gabo! So, John, how long does it usually take you to do an application like this in a 1,500 square foot house?
For this job here, definitely 1 day, one and a half days, but this job right here will be 1 day.
1 day?
We'll leave these open right here. We'll wrap these in. Once all the drywall is installed, then we'll wrap these up. This is for our bifold doors. We'll come back. Here, this is the box end ceiling. It's in here. And all this here will be drywall. And then we'll do the ceiling and all the walls. For your interior walls, you don't have to have insulation, just on your exterior walls.
Yeah, go on.
Alright, this is number 2 here.
Alright, you can reach him where? 863-651-8325. She's hanging drywall too, right? Yeah. Alright, so we got it. What you doing, big dog? Well, let me talk to him. What you doing, man? You making it happen over here, man? All right, appreciate that. Man, you got insulation, John? What is that kind of insulation there?
This is vapor shield. Basically has a aluminum piece in it. Reflects the heat. Comes in and keeps the heat inside or the cool inside. And that's what reflects it off this here.
All right. John, you drywalling this place up.
We ain't messing around. You gotta do it for Radford Homes. You gotta take care of it. A little process here.
All right, see my man standing on the stilts,
There you go.
making it happen. Oh, come and stop. Cuando te veo otra vez. That's all I know now.
I was gonna start going on.
So what you doing today, man? I see you making it happen. What's up, Jose?
So right now we're working on this underboard, and the plan is to get it done by the end of the day, all screwed in and everything ready for finishers to come in and get it done.
All right.
So we're talking about getting knocked out maybe before 4.
All right.
So it's only four of us, counting myself.
All right, thank you.
There you go.
All right. John, we really appreciate
How we doing? We finished tomorrow? What about the other side? John, what? Okay, look. This is where our bed is going to come up. This whole ceiling here will be drywall. And we'll make a small hole here so when the electrical guys come back and they can put the exhaust fan right here. And all of this will be drywalled up. The back side is going to be dual rock.
Dual rock. Okay, dual rock. All right. And as you can see, man, y'all making it happen over here, John. You put that insulation back up there, John?
Absolutely.
All right.
Oh, you know what? Make sure you know.
Get him, Jose! Yeah, baby! We're making it happen, y'all. Check us out. We're going to the new build after this.
It's already drywalled up.
Uh-huh.
You guys will come back and knock in all the bottom. They're doing all the top on this side.
Can you explain the application of putting this drywall on the ceiling? Is it the same as the wall or what?
Absolutely. Basically, just got to get two strong people to just put it up, nail it up, and that's it. And then when you do your ceilings first, the wall will hold it up. Or it won't hold it up, but it helps support it.
All right. So, John, look at all the good installation that Combi Installation did in here for Radford Homes.
It's awesome.
So, this is not the R3 paper in here. This is the real deal installation, right, John?
Yes, this is our 30 installation here.
Go through there, John. Take them there and show them the kitchen. Check out John Akins going all through the house, y'all.
As you can see, the box in is already done.
Oh, you did the soffit. You closed the soffit in.
Yes, you did. This is for our microwave.
All right, John. You're making it happen, man. I appreciate you and Jose and the whole team. Thank you, Jose.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey,
So, Brian, what you putting in? You putting in drywall screws?
Yep.
All right, Brian is knocking it out, y'all. Taking care of us. Hey, Jake, come on, Jake. John, explain what Brian is doing over there. I see you putting them drywall screws in there. That drill is already set to get it in there quick too, right?
Yep.
Talk to him, John.
It's automatic. Basically, he just blows it up and shoot it in there. Makes the job goes by faster right here. He's well experienced.
So, John, how does he know he hitting those studs?
You can hear the sound until it's done. Otherwise, it wouldn't make that sound. You know, and plus, also, he's sinking it and then pulling it through.
So after he's done with that, John, you're gonna mud and tape it, right?
Mud, tape it, and put some knockdown on it.
And put knockdown on it. You're gonna spray this. You don't have a hopper. You have a commercial sprayer.
Spray rig.
Spray rig. It's a $20,000 machine.
Absolutely.
It's good stuff, John. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Felix is my main lead guy, y'all. He takes care of me on everything. He fills in the gaps. He's my carpenter. He puts in cabinets. He does everything. So what are you working on, Felix? All right, did we get the water line ran for the refrigerator, Felix?
I don't know if it doesn't look like it. John was supposed to come run that.
All right, that's okay. We'll get it later. Let him go and get the drywall in there.
Hazme un foto aquí mismito y yo meto el alambre por ahí para el microwave. Aquí mismito. A ver. Un fotito ahí, yo voy a empujar el alambre por ahí.
So, John, they're making sure the microwave wire goes through there.
Yeah, they put the drywall up, but
Don't go nowhere. Hey, Jake.
Property now, we're doing the full remodel on it. We walked you through the rundown, nasty house that it was. We tore this house all the way down to the studs. We even had to redo a bunch of the studs. They've re-stuccoed and added the nice pitch to the roof here on the side and the front and the back. We expanded the back out, added a big nice laundry room on the back of the house. So now they're working through, stucco's been completed. Now the stucco's done, they're gonna drywall the inside. We're ready to put a kitchen, all new bathrooms. We're gonna paint all the way through. We got soffits coming in, whole bunch of work here. New AC system, electrical's been updated, the plumbing's been redone.
Yes.
This is gonna be, might as well be a brand new house.
Yes, exactly right. Let's take a look back here at the fence where they installed a new fence. They also put in a gate. That's your flag you had going through, Jake.
Flag right there.
Yeah.
Represent.
So finish talking to him, Jake, about this the whole 9 yards what we did. This is a full gut rehab, right?
Correct. This is a full gut. Down to the studs. As you can see, back to the property. This wasn't here before. We expanded this out, giving it 2 nice interior living rooms, laundry rooms on the back.
General contractor over this job, and he also owns Coach Bell Fencing. You can reach him at 863-294-6003. Shout out to T. Gregory, my general contractor. Last but not least, hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Make no mistake about it. Luke 137, keep God first. You can do everything with it. Salute. And I'm out.